In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the inside door handle for this Dodge Dakota. It's going to be located when you open the door for the back door. Let's get into it. Using a T30 socket, take these two screws out. And just wiggle the handle out a little bit. There's a couple cables holding it on. There's these two clips. You want to take those out. You can squeeze them from the front and then just kind of slide them out. If you need to, you can use some needle nose pliers. That slides out. It's loose. Do the same on the other one. Slide that out. Now we're going to pop the cables out. If you take a trim tool that's a little bit skinnier, go in from the back side here. You're going to pop the cable out. Just push it forward. There we go. Pop that out. And we can flip this over. It's a little bit easier this way. We're going to pop the other one off. And there's the cables. Those are out. And slide this in position. Then you want to put that pin, slide that pin in, and then push the cable through. It's kind of hard to see. Just take the pick, just grab the cable. There it goes. That's on. So you want that to look like that. We'll do the same for the top one. Probably should have did the top one first. And line that top one up. Seems like it's easiest to take a pick and go through here on the side. When you have that open a little bit, grab the cable and just pull it so that it lines up. Now line these clips up. There's a little slot in the cable where the clips go. Should get it in the right slot. Push it in. Do the same with the top one. Line this up. Oops. Push it in the slot. And then lock it down. That's good. You can double check at this point. Make sure the door opens. And that works. Get this lined up. So you're going to have to, when putting this in, you're going to have to angle this a little bit, get that spring behind there. That's lined up. Put the two bolts in. Tighten these down. Just snug those up. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.